Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to upscale an image on Midjourney. Now, it's a very easy process, so all you have to do is just simply first enter your prompt as you can see right over here, then wait for the image to be generated. Now after that, as you can see, I have my 4 images over here. Now, just simply choose the image that you want. So in my case, I want the first variant, which is this one. So I'm going to upscale that. So for doing that, choose U1 because it is the first image that I want, so upscale 1. If you want any other, you can use the other options like upscale 2, upscale 3 and upscale 4. So click on U1 and then if you scroll down, you will find your image right over there. So after your image is completely generated. So downloading the image is very simple. All you have to do is click on the image and click on open in browser. Now it should open on a browser and it is the max quality image that you will get from Midjourney. So now right click on the image, click on save image as, choose a location and save it. Now the image is downloaded in your computer. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.